Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito po yung reading natin for Water Sign. By the way, past, present, future tayo, no? Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate sa'yo. Personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, please feel free na mag-message sa kanya sa Facebook. Ayan. And, by the way, pupunta ulit siya ng papakain na naman siya sa orphanage ng December 23. So, if you want, pwede kayong mag-donate sa kanya para makatulong kayo sa mga batang mga nasa ampunan, or pwede kayong sumama, kayo mismo, personal, na makatulong sa mga batang ito. And yeah, let's start your reading. Please do follow me on TikTok. Unicorn Princess Tarot. By the way, may mga binibenta akong mga bracelet dyan. Piyaw bracelet yun. And, bale nakaka-attract siya ng swerte. If you want, may free palm reading yun. So, pwede kayong mag-avail. You do have the Queen of Swords, two of Arrows, the Moon on Water. Okay? This is your past. This is your past. So, nakikita natin dito with the Queen of Stones, you keep on hiding. You keep on, like, hindi mo pinapakita yung sarili mo. Maybe I can feel an energy of hibernation. Like, because there's a bear there. So, may nakikita akong energy na hindi mo masyadong pinapakita or ino-open ang sarili mo dito sa past person na ito. With the Two of Swords, I feel like you're not telling the truth here. You're not telling the truth. Kasi gusto mo maging pantay or maging either gusto mong gawin niya rin yung kanyang contribution or yung dapat niyang gawin in order for you na mai-open ang sarili mo sa kanya. With the Moon on Water, this energy of you in the past is like may mga dreams or panaginip na nagbibigay ng signs and messages sa'yo pagdating sa connection mo with your past person. Okay? Nakikita natin na nandun yung love or emotion mo towards this person with the Queen of Vessels, and with the Forest Lovers, gusto mo rin ng partnership, commitment, relationship, or maybe even marriage sa inyong dalawa nitong person na ito. But yung person na ito kasi masyado siyang mailap, masyado siyang maybe in and out sa buhay mo. So, because of this, hindi mo rin alam kung anong dapat mong gawin, or mas pinipili mo na lang approach sa connection na ito ay ang umiwas, lumayo-layo sa kanya, or ang manatiling tahimik lang sa connection ninyo. Clarify the Queen of Swords, please. You do have here the King of Pentacles and the Nine of Cups. Two of Arrows is clarified by the Nine of Pentacles. What's with the Moon and Water? The Ace of Cups is here. Yeah, your subconscious mind is telling you na you really do love this person. Alam mo itong person na ito, nag-concentrate siya sa sarili niya. Nag-concentrate siya sa money. Nag-concentrate siya sa, I can see this is new love. Could be new love, new connections. Pwedeng ganon. Pero you're still on this person's mind. Nagkaroon siya ng mga new connections, new love, pero hanggang sa isip nitong person na ito, nandun ka pa rin. And kasi mahal mo yung person na ito, and hindi mo lang masabi. Pero itong person na to, minahal ka rin niya or mahal ka rin niya, but the problem is, I don't know, wala masyadong new beginnings or hindi masyadong nagtuloy kung ano man yung new beginnings sa inyong dalawa. I can see a possible offer in the past na pwedeng tinanggihan, or mas nag-focus muna sa mga priorities, like maybe may kinalaman sa pera or sa sarili. This person, nakita natin na umiwas or lumayo siya in the past, pero maybe kailangan pa kasi talaga niya ng time, or maybe this person is really waiting for you, pero Yung iba sa inyo kaya nagkaroon ng ending is you could be dealing with the twin flame. I'm seeing a twin flame energy. Pero pwedeng kaya nagkaroon ng separation sa inyong dalawa is because pwedeng hindi ka nagpasakop sa gusto niya, or hindi nasunod kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari, you know. And yeah, that could be the problem here in the past. Hindi siya nasunod, or hindi ka sumunod sa kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari, so hindi ka nagpasakop sa kanya. So ano yung present moment for water sign? Present moment, please, Spirit guys, angel guys, for water sign. For water sign, please. Present moment, you do have here the Three of Bows. The Five of Stones. Okay. You do have here the Page of Arrows and the Seven of Vessels. And at the bottom of the deck, you have Page of Bows. In the present moment, nakakakita tayo dito ng energy sa'yo na parang masaya ka naman sa direksyon ng buhay na meron ka ngayon. I can see a lot of healing. I can see you like ikaw na mismo nag-i-stop sa sarili mo na mag-make or gumawa ng pagpili regarding, maybe you could be dealing with two people or a lot of people in your life. Pero ikaw ito na parang hindi na tama, na ayoko na. Parang ganun. Or hindi man ayaw mo na. Pero sa ngayon, nandito ka sa, wala ka naman ang hinahanap ngayon pagdating sa buhay mo, pagdating sa love, etc. I don't know if you're single, you could be in another relationship, yung iba. Pero sabihin na natin kontento ka sa kung ano yung meron ka ngayon. In the present moment with the Five of Stones, maraming challenges in the past ang pwedeng pinagdaanan mo, pero ngayon nakikita natin yung tatag mo. Hindi ko na nakikita na natatakot ka pa sa kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari in the future, dahil sa ngayon yung present moment mo, nakikita mo na okay ka naman, na parang nandun yung nasa sitwasyon ka, or nasa place, or maybe career, na alam mong protektado ka. With a Page of Arrows, I'm feeling like this is your person in the present moment who is I get the feeling na parang naramdaman niya na parang parang wala ka na dyan, alam mo yon, parang wala ka na dyan. Maybe in the past, parang lagi ka na dyan sa kanya, or para sa kanya, or anytime na bumalik siya, na dyan ka. Pero ngayon, nararamdaman ng person mo parang wala ka na dyan. And with the Seven of Vessels, this person is really heartbroken. This person is really longing for you. Sobrang nasasaktan yung person na ito because nakita niya yung mga bagay na wala sa kanya, at kung ano yung mga meron siya, I feel like hindi siya kontento, hindi siya masaya. This person is like, gusto niya maghabol ka eh. Gusto niya maghabol ka. Gusto niyang ikaw yung gumawa ng paraan sa koneksyon ninyong dalawa. Okay? Let's talk about your future. In the near future for water sign, please. In the near future for water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You do have here the Three of Stones. You do have here the Seven of Stones. The King of Stones and the Knight of Vessels. Bottom of the deck, you do have here the Page of Stones. Okay, so in the near future, natutuwa ako sa energy mo, no? Kasi you will be revealing yourself. You will be revealing yung iyong creativity, yung iyong powers, yung angkin mong galing. You will be not You will be this person na tatanggalin mo yung takot, yung hiya, yung kung ano sasabihin ng iba. This is you with the Seven of Stones. You will be concentrating sa healing mo and or healing ng ibang tao. I can see you helping some people or yourself na kung sino man yung nakakaranas ng hindi magandang health, you are this person na tumutulong sa kanila or ikaw mismo. Yung iba emotional healing eh. Pwedeng may pagtulong kang ginagawa sa mga taong to. And in the near future, you will be helping a lot of people. I don't know if you're a person na literal na may pagtulong na ginagawa pagdating sa mga may sakit, sa mga patay, ganyan. I don't know, that's weird. But anyway, nagpakita yung sign na yun. Anyway, I can see you being happy with what you are in the future. Kahit wala tong person na to, nakikita natin na ikaw na ito na lumalabas sa kung saan ka. Yung, alam mo yun, yung hindi ka dati ganon, pero malaking improvement at malaking pagbabago ang gagawin mo sa sarili mo in the near future na makakatulong sa'yo para mapunta ka doon sa taas. I can see you being on top. Okay? And marami ang susunod sa yapak mo. Okay? Nakikita natin na ikaw mismo ang for some of you, you will be communicating with a lot of people in the near future. Nakakarinig ako ng mga tawag, on-call na tawag. Ikaw ito nagagawa nito, pero it is like nakakakita tayo ng marami naman ang susunod or mapapa-oo mo, parang ganon. Or, yeah, I can see a lot of success for you in the near future. You are being the leader here with the King of Stones. And with the Knight of Vessels, let's clarify this. What's with the Knight of Vessels? Ito yung person in the near future for you. The green man and the Nine of Stones. Yeah, a very traditional person. Taurus energy. And with the Page of Stones at the bottom of the deck, magugulat kayo, babalik tong taong to. I mean, this could be a new person. If this is a new person, magugulat ka sa pagdating nitong taong to. If this is a high chance that this is a past person, pero yung iba, this is a new person. So anyway, there's this person na magugulat ka sa pagdating niya. A very traditional person. Like magmamatch yung energy niyo yung dalawa. Maraming pagkakapareho yung pinapakita dito sa inyong dalawa. This is the person na parang makakasundo mo talaga or talagang match para sa'yo. Tell me about this person. Five of Vessels is here. Oh, pwedeng ito yung taong lumalabas sa panaginip mo or imaginations mo. The King of Bows is here. Oh, I can see a lot of challenges. So, pwedeng either dadating itong taong ito to help you na ma-overcome itong mga challenges sa'yo. Maybe with regards sa yung relationship or hindi man pagdating sa love, maybe pagdating sa family or vice versa. Ikaw yung dadating sa buhay nitong taong ito para ayusin kung ano man yung sigalot na pinasok niya. Maybe there's a third party situation here. Medyo mahirap or magiging magulo. Pero magugulat ka nga biglang dadating or biglang magkakaroon ng pagkakataon sa inyo nitong taon to. Nakakamoy ako ng chicheria. It's like parang cheapy. So, ganun. Anyway, this could be a reading. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. Kung hindi mo alam guys, pwede ka magpa-personal palm reading sa akin kung mag-avail ka ng bracelet, no? Doon sa aking TikTok shop. Ito yung examples ng mga bracelet na mga pampaswerte yan, guys. May mga piyaw na pampaswerte, nakaka-attract ng swerte. And, yeah, may free palm reading yan. Kung gusto mo naman, pwede mo rin akong dayuhin. Pwede ka pumunta sa amin. By the way, kasi kung gusto mo akong makatulong naman sa'yo pagdating sa insurance, if you want to be insured, I can help you with that. And pwede na rin kitang bigyan ng reading, no? Pag nakita tayo. And also, kung gusto mo, pwede ko naman din ikaw tulungan na maayos or magkaroon ng insurance because I'm also a financial advisor sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Ayan. So anyway, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.